It's really amazing the opportunities Limbrook Robotics offers its students.
Robotics inspired me to try new things.
The leadership experience that robotics has provided has been invaluable.
Limbrook Robotics really kind of epitomizes what we strive to do here at Limbrook.
As I understand it, the Limbrook team worked hard to get the semantic grant, not only support its own work, but to support the work of the 5 high schools of the Fremont Union High School District. Because of the Limbrook team, we have 5 active robotics teams in this district, and that's pretty exciting.
Well, Limbrook has always been an active member of the Cal Games planning sessions. Mr. G took on the role of totally revamping this year's spreadsheet that is used for scoring. So for the very first time in the history of Cal Games, we had the ability for anybody, anywhere, to check scoring after every match by just checking their smartphone or their tablet.
One of the things that WD does every year is that we have an engineering day in June. Frankly, our CEO, John Coyne, would always talk to the robotics teams, and he would ask tough questions of how it worked, and the students would explain, and it really impressed him, actually.
Over the last several years, Limbrook robotics students have been very active in giving WRRF workshops themselves. Each year they bring one of their robots and run novice students through an explanation of how all the pieces on a first robotics robot go together and how they work.
One of the most important projects we've worked on this year is Because Robots. Robotics is a different experience for everyone, and Because Robots really forces people to think about all the amazing things robots enable them to do, or about all the convenient things robots do for them. I remember Dean's homework one year was to take robotics to as many people as possible. Well, currently we've taken Because Robots, and the message it carries, all the way to schools in Taiwan.
Last spring break, I got to go to Taiwan for a week. During this trip, I actually spoke to a group of 700 students and teachers to talk about FIRST robotics and robotics to them. We are going into a realm where if you're not affiliated with a computer, you start getting lost.
On one level, what robotics means to this community is that we're preparing young people to enter STEM fields.
It's just really gratifying working with you guys. When I see you guys get a concept that's difficult, and I see you find it really exciting. That's really motivating.